Hey guys, welcome back to Dope Yoga. My name is Maria. I am an American and Russian expat living in Paris, France. And on this channel, I teach a lot of yoga. I talk about being an expat and living as an expat in Paris, France. And I do it all with my cat Alaska, who you'll see running around in the frame. Today, what I wanted to bring to you is, we're entering into the second wave of the corona. And here in Paris, it's kind of an austere feeling. It feels strange to be here, and there's a lot of things happening. And I kind of wanted to bring you this really beautiful meditation practice that you can do, kind of to ground yourself in uncertain times, right? Because we have all this negativity around us, and in order to access positivity, we have to access ourselves and our feelings around us. And I think that stress, emotion, anxiety are kind of external factors, and the way we respond to them is the way we choose to respond as an emotional stressor. So what I want you to do is I want you to kind of sit in a nice comfortable position. So you can either sit cross-legged, or if you have a meditation cushion, go ahead and take that out. But go ahead and sit on your mat cross-legged, or you can do this on your couch. You can do this literally wherever you want. It's not an obligation to sit on your couch. I also like to do this outside, so if you have time to tap into nature, that's awesome. Go ahead and take a comfortable seat. Go ahead and rub your thighs just a little bit to get that good energy flowing everywhere. And we're going to start with some breathing exercises that will really allow us to calm down our mind, calm down our spirit, tap into how we feel today, and try to be a little bit calm amidst this crazy world we live in. Alaska, he's going to come and kind of try to play with me, which I'm sorry for advance. He's a funny one. So go ahead and bring your index and thumbs together, place them on your knees, kind of take a nice seat, feel it out, get comfortable. And what I want you to do is I want you to inhale with your nose. We're going to hold it at the top of the breath, and then we're going to let it out. So we're going to inhale for 5 breaths, we're going to hold it for 6, and we're going to exhale for 4. So let's go ahead and inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to count with you one more time again, and then I'll let you do the breathing exercises at your own pace, at your own counting tempo. So ready? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very cool. All right. So go ahead and do this breathing exercise at your own rhythm. Go ahead and breathe in, breathe out. Feel that cold air coming in and the hot air coming out. It's a really great breathing exercise to calm down the mind, to calm down the body. So at your own pace, go ahead and do this breathing exercise just a couple of times with me. Very good. Let's take one more breathing exercise like this. Beautiful. Go ahead and start breathing normally at your own pace. You can close your eyes if it feels good. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. You should now feel a sense of a little bit more calm in your body and mind. Feel that nice sensation that your heart palpitations are a bit lower now, that they're declining in rhythm. And what we're going to do for the rest of this meditation is we're going to introduce a mantra inside of this meditation practice that I'm going to say out loud 3 times, and then you're going to keep saying inside of your head and to yourself through the rest of this practice. So keeping your eyes closed, ground yourself. The mantra is going to be, I'm strong, I'm patient, I'm kind to my body, and I accept all that comes. I am strong, I am patient, I am kind, I accept all that comes. I am strong, I am patient, I am kind, I accept all that comes. Go ahead and keep repeating that mantra to yourself throughout this practice. Inhaling and exhaling slowly. Keeping your eyes closed, just following your breath and focusing on this mantra. I am strong, I am kind, I am patient, and I accept all that comes. Repeat slowly this to yourself, over in your mind, with your eyes closed, feeling your breath. Feeling your breath coming in and out of your nostrils. If you have thoughts that come, treat them as clouds passing by. Bring your attention each time back to the breath and then back to the mantra that you have introduced to yourself this morning. Think about how beautiful it is that you're breathing. Thank yourself for the beautiful body that you have, that you are breathing, that you are alive. How amazing is this? What a miracle is this? Breathe. Come back to the mantra. Now slowly start to focus your energy back on your breath. Feeling your inhales and exhales. Release the mantra. Put one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. We're going to finish this practice with 3-part breath. And what 3-part breath is we're going to make an ocean with our breath, just to follow it through our body and to be able to control it just a little bit more. So inhale through your belly. Feel the air coming towards up into your chest. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your chest, your ribs, and your belly. So you're getting rid of all the air in your belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Get all the air out of your belly. One more time. Inhale, fill your belly with air. Ribs, feel your chest expand. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, chest, ribs, and finally feel the air coming out of your belly. Bring back your hands to prayer position. Let's connect a bit back with our breath once more, just to feel the effect of our meditation practice this morning. How do you feel now? What do you want to do with your day today? Do you have any intentions that you'd like to set? If so, set them now. Feel your body. Feel if this meditation practice helped you in some way, if you feel a bit different with your mind and your soul. Go ahead and take now your right hand, put it on your left ear, and kind of stretch out the left side of your neck. Feel that good, nice stretch. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Nice long stretch. Take a side stretch. So all you're doing is you're taking your right hand to your knee and stretching it out one way and then the other, just to make sure our spine is healthy. Beautiful. Now take a deep inhalation. Raise your hands all the way up. Bring your hands to your forehead, to your third eye chakra, giving yourself beautiful thoughts. To your lips, giving yourself beautiful speech. And to your heart, thanking yourself for the time you took to meditate and do something good for your body and mind. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Enjoy, and don't forget to take time for yourself. Namaste.